Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial Raise, and in this tutorial you are learning CSS, the layout, how to design a basic layout of any website using CSS. So far we have done this part, and now this is the icon and this is phone number. So what is your purpose is that we will make it closer, the phone number and icon. So there is one way out. Padding right, that means we will push from right side internally, padding right 150 px. So in that case, now our phone number has come closer. But before that, let's change its color. Color white. So this is the phone number and this is the icon. Also font size. Let's increase font size 18 px. 28 px. Okay. Next, we can, okay, one more thing. If you want to provide my padding top, padding top 10 px, so the icon starts from here. Similarly, padding top 10 px. Yes, same way you can show other icons also. Suppose you want to display three more icons here, like social icons. Say icon. We can take any of these images, but they are not separate. So I'll click on archive.com. Save as images. Simple layout inside this images. Then Facebook. This is PNG file. Same way, let's find Twitter. YouTube. Okay, so these are the images. Now we want to display this here into the right header section in the form and this div. So we will take another div here, and here will be three more divs. Div close, div, div close, div, div close, img src images, then facebook.png, png, img src c images, twitter.png, img src c youtube.png images. So let's check how does it look like. Okay, all the icons are coming vertically, but we want to display these icons horizontally. So what we will do, we will create a class dot social icons float left, padding right 20 px. Now this social icon, same class social icon, it icons or icons, cell icons. Okay, now let's check it. It's coming horizontally. We need to push from top, so we'll have to provide here padding top, padding top 50 px, should be 35. Okay, and finally let's remove the border 0 px. So this is our header section. One more thing, so far in CSS we have used the color name. Okay, but what about the color name? Is actually these are called primary color. For example, red, blue, green, pink, gray, yellow. Okay, these are called primary color. But what about different variations? So if you need color variation, then you can use HTML color code. Okay, from here you can take different variation. For example, currently we are using green color, but we want a variation, different variation in this. For example, the lighter color. Then this is the actual color code. Just copy it, copy this color code, and just go to here, and in header section we have used header, where is it, green. So rather than green, we will now use the variation of color, and you have to apply hash before color code. But if you use color name, then you don't have to provide color code. So now the color has changed. So It doesn't look good. That's why we need darker color like this. Now let's check, copy this, and then change the color code. Yeah, yeah. This looks better. Also, by default, the name takes some marginal padding by default. So we write here margin 0 px padding 0 px. Okay, do we need actually this one? Okay, and now let's do one thing. We will apply here a hyperlink. Okay, we'll apply here hyperlink. So let's go to header section and write here ahref equals to index.html, and then ahref equals to about.html, ahref equals to services.html, and we need to close it. Okay, so as you can see, there is underline as well as uh, blue color. So what we will do, just remove the yellow background color which we have applied here. This one, left to header, and then right, and then background yellow. So from this li currently I am taking out this color, background color. So after this, first it was navigation, then nav ul and li, and this time now will be nav ul li and then a. That means anchor text. Color equal to yellow. Color has changed to yellow, and if you want to remove underline, then you have need to write text decoration none. That means we don't need any underline initially, so the underline is gone now. Now suppose if you put the mouse over it, then the color should change. Color should change. So what you will do, nav lia over. Okay, everything will be same. Change its color to maybe orange, and text decoration underline. That means when we place the mouse, when we place the mouse here, then the color changes as well as underline shows so that we can understand these are hyperlinks. So you also learned how a hover on any hyperlink works. Now, similarly, you can create menu for the left one also. So how you can do that? If you need menu in the left side, then this is the left section. So you can simply copy this one and paste here. But this time we will apply here ID left bar. Why? Because if we don't apply ID, then if we apply CSS on this, then CSS on this will also be automatically applied. So to differentiate, we are giving here D left bar because we want it because we want it horizontally, vertically, and not horizontally, and of course the color may be different. So let's go to CSS and copy from here to here, line number 4 to 8. Just put space here and then put here. Then what is the ID is left bar hash left bar ul. Okay, so wherever you have used nav in this case, you apply left bar. Okay, so background black. In this case, we are not applying the background. Okay. Also, uh, also in li section, we need to remove this because of this, our menu comes horizontally and vertically. So we want to display it this time horizontally. Seems there is a mistake. Okay, so let's do one thing. Rather than nav, I will write here div because when I use nav, then it takes the default navigation CSS. So this div and then let's close here div. So it's better to handle the CSS from here. So now it's left bar and then check here left bar ul. Just type now that one. And here we will remove display inline because of display inline it's showing horizontal. We want to show it vertical. Yes, now it's showing vertically. Also, let's remove the background color black. So, left UL, margin, then background black. Let's remove the background color. Also, the padding we will currently remove from here. Okay, and then let's change the color. Not color from here actually. We will change the color from here. So rather than yellow, we write here black or red. So now it shows black, but there is a lot of padding here. So we will remove the padding, UL padding 15 px. Let's remove it. So it's coming close together. Suppose you want to provide border below. So we write here border bottom 1 plus dot A and black. So there will be dotted border here. Now let's work on center section. So in the center section, we will write here welcome to HTML Academy. So let's do that in the next video. So stay connected and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.